Let's learn words that end in the suffix y. The y suffix tells you that it has something and often means that something has a lot of something. Don't worry if you can't understand. I'm sure you'll understand all the words with the help of the images. Let's get started. Listen to the word and look at the picture. Try to understand the meaning. Comfy, comfy. This couch is comfy. It is very comfortable. Comfy. Creamy, creamy. This soup is creamy. It has a lot of cream. Creamy. Dirty, dirty. These dishes are dirty. They are not clean. They are dirty. Dusty, dusty. This shelf is dusty. There is a lot of dust on the shelf. Dusty. Foggy, foggy. It's foggy. There is a lot of fog. Foggy. Gloomy, gloomy. It's a gloomy day. Gloomy. Hairy, hairy. His legs are hairy. Hairy legs. There is a lot of hair on his legs. Hairy. Healthy, healthy. He is healthy. He has good health. Healthy. Icy, icy. The pavement is icy. The woman slipped and fell because it is icy. Icy. Juicy, juicy. This orange is juicy. It is full of juice. Juicy. Muddy, muddy. This truck is muddy. These shoes are muddy. They are covered in mud. Muddy. Rainy, rainy. It's a rainy day. It is raining a lot. Rainy. Roomy, roomy. This trunk is roomy. It has a lot of room. Roomy. Salty, salty. These pretzels are salty. They taste salty. Salty. Smelly, smelly. This trash is smelly. It smells bad. Smelly. Smoky, smoky. Grilling is smoky. There is smoke. It is smoky. Smoky. Snowy, snowy. It's a snowy day. It is snowing a lot. Snowy. Sunny, sunny. It's a sunny day. It's very sunny. Sunny. Tasty, tasty. The pizza is tasty. It tastes good. It is tasty. Tasty. Windy, windy. It's a windy day. It's a windy day. Windy. Great job. Okay, now a common mistake is funny. Funny. So, what does funny mean? Funny is not the same as these other words that end in the y suffix. It doesn't mean full of fun, right? Fun is enjoyable, but funny means humorous. It's something that makes you laugh. The woman is laughing because her friend said something funny. It can also mean strange. So, something that is unusual. Something smells funny means something smells strange or bad. If your milk smells funny, you shouldn't drink it. I hope you enjoyed this video. English has many suffixes and prefixes. Learning suffixes and prefixes is a great way to expand your English vocabulary and unlock the meaning of hundreds of words. If you want to keep learning English suffixes and prefixes, let me know in a comment and I'll make more videos like this one. Bye!